my shelter. Guess what? Surprise! It's Optimistic is back. He had time with his mom. He's back on trail, and it's good to have company again. Welcome back, brother. Let's get some miles in before the rain. Had a great fire here last night. Now there's a privy at the top of the hill. Not a bad shelter, except for the water is way far down the hill. Those logs were 5 times as big yesterday, and they kept me warm for quite a while, and then Optimistic showed up, and we're getting out of here. So this is, oh yeah, uh-oh. Good morning, AT. I'm out of the shelter. Here's a tenting area over here too. Nice. Water is way downhill. I didn't even go for it because by 1 o'clock there will be a thunderstorm coming through. Yuck. Want to be off trail for that. Just find a shelter, even if it's for a couple hours. Stay out of the storm, because hiking wet at these temps are hypothermia weather, so you don't want to be doing that. Yeah. So this shelter, the Leroy A. Smith shelter, is back across those power lines. They're there. And I came from that direction a little ways back, but it crossed the power lines again. The blue blaze going back there. So the trail's up here, runs along the power lines for a bit, and yeah, on to the next. I'll catch up. Coming from Leroy, going to Outer Bridge, 10.8, or Smith Gap Road, 3.5. Let's see what the weather's like by the time I get there. Okay. It's Roxylvania here. Look at this stuff. This is good compared to what I was walking on yesterday. I'm sure I'm gonna hit some fun stuff like that any second now. So we're talking about endurance of rocks here. My quote is, at certain times, Pennsylvania, you can be a Lazarus dominatrix of pain. None pleasant. Not going there either. Look at those pretty blue blazes. Six out of 16 done. All right, so all the days I posted videos, how many are raining? Next to none, compared to how many I'm walking in the rain right now with Optimistic, and we're headed towards the town of Palmerton, and hopefully it's not going to be awful. I got the umbrella, and little blow down. I don't know, must have got off trail there for a second. Oh, there it is. And yeah, it's raining today, but not bad because I got company. So there's that. Oh man, this is a little stupid. I'm going this way. Gonna go this way because there's less trees in the way. So yeah, headed to Palmerton. Unfortunately, there's a Brazilian steakhouse there that might be open. I don't know what this means, but it's gonna drive me crazy all day, I'm sure. We'll see. Maybe I'll get lucky and they'll be closed. Or maybe not. And maybe there'll be a fantastic hiker deal. Yeah. We'll see. 10 miles to go to find out. It's raining, still raining. Here, look. Kind of spooky, actually. Not so bad on the rocks today. Knock on wood. It's nice, a lot more woods and maybe more organic matter padding the jaggies. They're still there, but there's a reprieve in between them mostly. Oh, look at yeah, break time again, huh? Look at this. This is a little campsite. All right, we're going down. Can you see the white blazes? Yes, you can. So it's less than 6 miles, and I'll be getting off in a town called Palmerton. I stopped for lunch, tried to hook up a tarp with my ground cover, and 2 bad things. 1, the ground cover is not waterproof anymore, and 3, it didn't work as a tarp, so got a little damp. Look at those little channels under there. They'll never get damp underneath all these layers of rock. But your snakes love this place. Anyhow, pine needles here, beautiful. I don't know what changed, but all of a sudden it went from oaks and a couple different kind of oaks and birch or beech to pine, and lots of oaks went straight to these very long needle pines. I don't know if they're the white pines or what they are, but I had to unstrap my umbrella rigging so that I can film, because the phone was in my pocket, which is buried under layers. So yeah, anyhow, must have been a farm for some pine trees at some point, or somebody lived up there and planted them, or maybe it's just a fluke that it's a outcropping of a particular pine, and it's very pretty. But mostly this is still rocks and more rocks, and a little bit more gentler than yesterday in most of the spots, but in some of the spots it gets pretty brutal again. So, you know, mixed emotions still here. You come in with a grin, get beat up, get a nice day, things not so bad. I'm expecting another couple beat ups. You know, I think that's what PA has in store for you. So prep those feet, make sure that they're nice and tough by the time you get to PA. All right, I'll catch up walking in the rain. Crazy looking environment here, especially since it's rocky and wet and a lot of dead wood just laying out. It's like pretty wild. Nothing ever woods here for long, guys, because it's all a big rocky hill. And today it's raining, which I'm sure these trees appreciate. I will say there in this section, the trail club has been working, and they got this flattened out, and it's awesome. I mean, some places they've got big slabs laid down very nice, and makes for easier walking for sure. Coming solo into Palmerton, Pennsylvania today. Maybe get a room, Maybe wash my socks. Maybe get some steak. We'll see. And here is the beautiful view off the vista to see Palmerton. Wow. Amazing. Interesting rocks though. There's that. All right, so we're on a ridgeline. You can see the traffic way down there. It's still raining. It's like we're in a cloud. It's kind of poopy. I got junk people left on the trail, morons. Anyway, gotta take my time because this is pretty dangerous. Little sketch. Yeah. Holy shit. That is awesome. That is awesome. Look at that. Holy cow. Yeah, that's crazy. And we got to climb down there. Oh, wow. That's kind of scary. Woo. Yep, there we go. Downhill. All right. I'm putting my stuff away. And yeah. It's sketch. Oh, yeah. Sketch. Okay, bye. Cut off trail, all wet. What do? You pass the sub place to go get ice cream. Good times.